Welcome back everybody. Here I'm just going to the browser and actually refreshing this page. Okay, now actually I just will teach you how to make the pagination, but here I'm just going to the admin panel and pressing enter. I'm not going, that means I have to just log in here, type gdskmath@gmail.com, and here the password ASD and press submit button. Okay, now I'm in the admin panel, but the thing is that I just want to the new post is working, but right now the post list, okay, actually if you just remember that if I just add a new post from the new post page, then it just sends us to the post list.php page, but actually there is nothing. So I'm just closing the new post now and just going to the folders and just opening the folder of CMS and the admin panel and the post list.php in the notepad++. So definitely I got the page. What I'm just gonna do is actually, that all these data is actually some kind of bluff, so I'm just deleting all the data here, remove this one and this one as well, and this one as well, and this one as well, and then remove all that and save that back. And actually I'm just getting only one result. Just go to the browser and refresh that, and in this way I just got only one result, but here I just added the pagination as well. I'll use the same technique, so I'm not teaching you again to how to add the pagination here, but you can do this, by the way, by yourself. So here before the TR I'm just pressing enter and just adding the another PHP code, and then let's just cover that, and here dollar and cell SQL and equal to, or simply type SQL equal to, and the select whole from which is a table. I just want to select the posts. Okay, select all from post, press and enter, and here I just want to get the result of the drafts as well, so that is perfect. Now type run and equal to MySQLi QUERY, and then here I'm just typing $CONN and the SQL. Okay, that is perfect. Now while loop, and then the rows. These things you already knew about what I'm just doing, so definitely I just don't need to guide you about all these things which I'm just doing right now. A suck, and then dollar run. Okay, now just go to the color braces, and here I'm just typing echo and then the single quotes. Now simply just copy this tr, the whole tr, okay, and paste this here inside this td. So definitely this is what I just want to do, by the way. Now save that and go to the browser and refresh that. I'm getting 4 results because there are 4 rows, but actually all these results, that not perfect. So I'm just clicking on the notepad again, and actually here I'm just maintaining the one after that, but at this time what I'm just doing is actually removing this src and just typing. I'm not removing the points, okay, the periods, because that the database only will send us the, I'm just going to the database to show you. This is the database. Now this is the CMS system. Click that, and this is the post area, and here you can see that the image column which actually has no periods. So I'm just going to the notepad and just removing this text and just adding $rows and then image. Save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Now I'm getting the perfect images. You can see that this is the image, this is another, but here I'm not getting any image, but I have to add something. That why I'm not getting any image here on the 4th one, actually just because there isn't any image. I just fixed, you can see that on the 4th one, but here I just want to do something that order by ID, okay, DESC, it means in the descendant way. Let's just refresh that, and then here let's just refresh that, and I'm getting the result in the descendant way. But here there is a perfect solution I have. I'm just typing here, I'm just adding 2 parentheses, and here inside the parentheses I'm just pasting the image, and then going inside the parentheses and typing if it is empty, okay, then question mark. Then actually this is a ternary operator, and definitely we can't use the echo in, we can't use the if else inside the echo. So inside the echo we just want to use the if else. So this is the shorthand if else, actually the ternary operator. So there I'm just telling if the raw image is equals to empty, then what will happen? No image, okay. And here if not empty, it means if this is empty, so here then no image. This is the else command, okay. This is called else in ternary operator, and here I'm just typing the one thing more. Here I'm just cutting the whole thing. I'm just removing the whole image here and just removed all that things, definitely. And now here in the directly in the TD, I'm removing all that things. Now directly in the TD, I'm just telling this that is if this image, the image is empty, then nothing or no image. But if not, then the img space src, and here I am just copying this and pasting this here, and then just cover that up in this way and type width equal to 50px. Now save that and go to the browser and refresh that, okay. Oh, there is something wrong I did there in line number 68, definitely. And the thing which I just did wrong is actually I just used the concatenation sign after the double quote. It should be after the single quote, by the way. Now you can see that I'm getting no image here, the text of no image, but here I'm not getting the images, because here if you just remember I have to add period to matching the same directory. Now refresh that again, and now I'm just getting the images, and here I'm just getting a text, no image. So I hope you understood how to do that. Now the other thing is just remove the first post, and definitely just type the two periods, the concatenation sign, and dollar and raws again, and here the title. Now you know that this title coming from the database, and after that I'm removing this text, okay. And instead of this text, what I'm just putting dollar raws and then the description. Now you will find a lot of text instead of description. Go to the browser and refresh that. You can see that there is a lot of text, but how to manage all that? I'm just going there and just adding the function sub str. If you just remember this function, let's just cut that and just paste this as first, and then add a comma, and then from where you just want to start the text from the description, the raw description, from zero text, zero character, okay. Now add another comma. So how much text you want? Only 50 characters. Now save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Is it perfect? I'm just getting only 50 text, 50 characters, and after that just add some points to clearing that the text is still continued. So refresh that now, and I'm just getting the perfect result with the points. And then the category, so now just remove the nature and just type dollar raws and then the nature. Now not nature, actually the category name, okay. Let's save that, and now I'm just typing here at the place of publish, just type the status here, okay, dollar raws and then status, okay. I'll just deal with the author name in later on, but right now I'm just gonna check that how it is working. Refresh that. Now you can see that these are published and this is published and this is on draft mode, but obviously this is on draft mode, and actually all these things should be up. So there are only two things which I have to do. Basically, obviously we have to just clear this button, the view post and the delete post. But right now I'm just gonna clear the outer area and the status area in next class. So stay tuned and goodbye.